If you want to eject SIM tray from a Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, but you do not have the SIM eject tool, then let me just tell you some alternative tools that you can use instead. Essentially, you are looking for something thin, straight and sturdy, so that you can put it into this SIM tray hole in here. Of course, it has to be straight because you should avoid putting the tool on with an angle or something, like you should go straight in. And also something has to be sturdy so that it doesn't break when you apply a little bit of pressure, because you have to apply gentle pressure to pop out the SIM tray. So the closest or the best alternative that you can use to the SIM eject tool is a paperclip. It also kind of looks like paperclip. So essentially you can unfold a small paperclip so one end is straight, then you can gently insert it into the SIM eject hole and then press until the SIM tray pops out. Usually you don't have to use that much force and it comes out pretty easily. Instead of paperclip, you can also use an earring post. You can use a plain metal stud earring that doesn't have a hook or decorative end, of course. Make sure it is clean and straight and then insert and press gently into the SIM tray hole. A sewing needle or pin might work as well because they are thin, but you want to hold it steady and press straight in. You want to avoid angled pressure, as I mentioned before. Also, if you have a mechanical pencil tip without lead, it might work as well, but it works only with some smartphones. So if they have if the tip is slightly larger than this hole, then of course it won't fit. But of course you can give it a try and see if it does. Of course you want to be careful because if you have a plastic tip, then it can break. So just make sure that it is sturdy enough so it doesn't break when you apply the pressure. Now what you should not use, you should avoid using toothpicks or wooden sticks because all these wooden tools, they can break off easily. And besides that, safety pins with rounded ends, they will not work as well. Screws or nails, both of these things are not really a good choice either. And anything thick or blunt is not probably going to work as well. So once you have your tool, in my case I have the eject tool, but let's say this is the paper clip, you just have to put it into this hole. There we go. And then once it is in, you want to apply a bit of pressure and push it into the phone just like that in order to make it slightly pop out. Once it pops out, you want to use your fingernails or fingers and you want to remove it completely from the phone, insert your SIM card and then just slide it all the way into the phone and make sure it goes all the way in. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.